welcome back. My name is Lily and we're here today at sleepplay.com. I'm a respiratory therapist and today we're going to talk about batteries. Batteries that we need if we go out, if we're hiking, if we're on the go and we want to use our machine and we don't want to use an outlet or a plug, or we're in an area where there's no plug, okay? If you're one of those outdoorsy type of people, not me, but if you are one of those outdoorsy type of guy, you have your truck, you go hiking, you go camping, or you're a gal that does the same thing, a girl that goes hiking and just very athletic and very on the go, or you travel a lot, you might want to look at one of these babies. Today we're talking about the EXP Pro. So these batteries are awesome. They have something that is called LiFePO4, which means lithium iron phosphate, which is the best, longest, most environmentally friendly lithium battery that you can use, okay? These babies have that, come equipped with it. It can last up to 5,000 hours, okay, which is wonderful because it's one less thing to worry about. And the great thing about this is that it has a lot of ports and it has cover for the ports so that you don't get any dirt or moisture into them. As you can see, it's awesome. The ports that it brings, it has one DC, two USB, one USB-C, AC and DC cables are included also, but you're not gonna believe this, you can also charge this through solar. Okay, so if you buy the panels, you can solar charge these babies and you're good. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to connect it, you don't need to you don't need to charge. Well, you will be charging it with the solar panels. But yeah, I mean, this thing is great. This one takes up to 6 hours to charge. And this one takes up to 13 hours to charge. The little one can last you 48 hours and the big one can last you 4 to 6 days. That's insane for a battery. I wish my phone would last that long. Well, you can plug your phone into this because it has 2 USB ports. Both of them have 2 USB ports, by the way. It also has a flashlight, okay? So let me see if I can turn it on for you. You keep it pressed and it should be, there you go. And it also has the amber light in case like you're in an emergency or something like that, or your car breaks, something happens, you have that too. This is like the best in class. It comes with a 2-year warranty and it has AC and DC adapters, and solar panels is sold separately, however. 2 sizes available. Anyways, if you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Lily, and this is sleepplay.com.